Welcome to the best picks. The best Husqvarna Chainsaw Chaps is probably one of the most important safety investments you can make when working with chainsaws, offering superior protection against cuts and injuries, and ensuring peace of mind while tackling any task from trimming branches to felling trees. This in-depth review will explore the features, performance, and overall value of Husqvarna Chainsaw Chaps, helping you determine if they're the right choice for your needs and budget. Number 5. Chainsaw Chaps Apron Wrap. This apron wrap provides superior protection against chainsaw accidents. It's designed for both men and women, offering a comfortable and secure fit. It features 8 layers of durable material, ensuring maximum safety during your work. You'll feel confident and protected with this robust design. This apron wrap is fully adjustable, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for various body types. It moves with you, allowing for ease of movement. It's specifically designed for professionals who work with chainsaws in demanding environments. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. This apron wrap combines maximum safety with exceptional durability. Invest in your safety with this reliable and long-lasting piece of equipment. It's designed for comfort and practicality, allowing you to focus on your work without discomfort. The adjustable design ensures a perfect fit every time. What we like. It provides excellent protection with its multiple layers and adjustable design. If you need reliable protection and a comfortable fit, this is a great option. This apron-style wrap offers a unique and practical design for various users. What people say. I now feel much safer while managing my timber in our tree farm. Always some cleanup from deadfall and broken branches. It has been decades since I last used chaps when I worked for the Forest Service. Luckily I have not had to test them by hitting them with the chainsaw, yet, but I have worn them and they fit well, don't flop around, and you forget about them so you can just get your work done. Overall this feels like a well-made pair of chaps. If you're on the fence between chaps and pants, note that chaps are easier to fit different body sizes and they are also easier to put on than full pants. The chaps are not too heavy but fairly weighty, which you would expect with 8 layers of protection. Number 4. Husqvarna Classic Safety Kit. This kit provides essential safety gear for all your chainsaw needs. It's perfect for new chainsaw users who want to start safely. The kit includes chainsaw chaps, a forest helmet, and work gloves. Everything you need to protect yourself while working. These 5-layer chaps are designed to significantly reduce the risk of injury from a chainsaw. They offer reliable protection where you need it most. The helmet features an HDPE shell, a face shield, ear muffs, and a sun peak, ensuring your head and face are well protected from impacts and elements. The lightweight gloves have a synthetic leather palm, providing a comfortable and secure grip. They are ideal for general use. The kit's high-vis orange color ensures you're easily seen in various work environments, improving safety. Rest assured, this kit meets all the necessary safety standards, including ASTM F1897, ANSI Z133.1, and OSHA regulations. The hearing protection offers a 24 dB NRR rating. What we like. This kit offers everything you need to start safely using a chainsaw. If you're a new chainsaw user and value a complete, certified safety solution, this is the perfect choice. The high visibility color ensures you're seen, even in busy work environments. What people say. Very durable and fits nicely. The quick snap-ons makes it easy to get to work. The chaps have held up very nicely, along with the face shield and hard hat. Really well made, everything you need to be safe when using a chainsaw. The helmet is a must, the chaps are icing on the cake. Number 3. Chainsaw Chaps Protective Apron. These chaps offer superior protection for forestry workers. Its multi-layered design significantly reduces the risk of chainsaw injuries. The 8 layers of protective material effectively stop a moving chainsaw, significantly reducing injury severity. This provides peace of mind while working. It meets stringent safety standards, including certifications from Underwriters Laboratories, UL, ASTM F3325-19, ASTM F1897-14, OSHA Regulation 1910-266, and ANSI Z133.1. You can trust in its safety. Made from 1000 denier Oxford polyester, they're built to withstand the rigors of forestry work. They are durable and long-lasting. They provide complete coverage from waist to ankle, including a 360-degree calf wrap for superior protection. No gaps in your protection. With an adjustable waist up to 48 inches and a 42-inch length, they offer a customizable fit. The length can even be shortened by 2 inches. What we like. With its robust 8-layer protection and certifications, it ensures maximum safety. If you prioritize top-tier protection and durability for demanding forestry work, this is the ideal choice. Its premium materials are built to withstand the toughest conditions. What people say. These are heavy-duty, slightly on the stiff side when new. They felt way more protective than other brands including steel. Lots of room for adjustment in each size, and for those of us with a shorter inseam, the ends are easy to flip up and stay secure. One really handy feature was the pocket over the left thigh. Steel brand felling wedges were a perfect fit. It's attached to the chaps at the waist, so it's allowed to swing free as you kneel or bend without digging into your thigh. Number 2. Technical 8-layer chainsaw chaps. These chaps offer unmatched protection with 6 layers of cut-resistant fabric and 2 layers of cushioning. They're designed to stop a chainsaw chain in its tracks, keeping you safe. Meeting rigorous safety standards like OSHA 1910-266, UL, ASTM F1897-20, and ASTM 3325-20, these chaps provide peace of mind. They're rigorously tested to ensure top performance. Made from tough 1050D polyester with a PU coating, they're built to last. High-quality YKK and ITW buckles and a 3M reflective stripe add to their durability and visibility. 2 convenient tactical pockets give you space for your phone and tools. The reflective stripe ensures you're seen, even in low light. They come in small, medium, and large to fit various waist sizes. Plus, you can choose from 5 stylish colors to personalize your protection. With these chaps, you get superior protection, durable construction, and practical features all in one. Work confidently knowing you have the best protection available. What we like. It offers a high level of protection with its multiple layers and various certifications. If you need robust protection and convenient storage for your tools, this is a great option. The added pockets enhance practicality for forestry work. What people say. I like the thickness of the 1050 denier nylon as well as the construction. I like the way the pockets are designed, as there will be room up top for smaller items, and I am waiting to see how convenient the wedge pocket is on the side of the leg. Appear to be good quality. Number 1. Husqvarna Chainsaw Pants. These pants are designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand the best in protection and comfort. They offer superior chainsaw protection without sacrificing mobility. Made from high-quality materials, they provide reliable protection against cuts and abrasions. You can trust these pants to keep you safe on the job. These pants are designed for all-day wear. The comfortable fit allows for a full range of motion, so you can work efficiently without restrictions. Reinforcements in high-wear areas ensure long-lasting durability. It means they can withstand the rigors of daily use. The stylish black and gray color scheme is both professional and practical. They look great and perform even better. Husqvarna is a name you can trust. These pants are a testament to our commitment to quality, safety, and performance. What we like. It's made by a trusted brand known for quality and durability. If you value a classic design and the reliability of a trusted brand, this is a great option. It's a solid choice for those who prioritize a well-made, long-lasting product. What people say. Perfect fit, comfort while working. Suspender buttons and small back bib make wear for long periods comfortable. Much lighter than adding chaps each day. Can Husqvarna make all my clothing? It's like high-quality snow pants that say I'm a pro. They're warm and they fit well with pockets that are hard to get things out of, so as to not lose things while climbing trees. These are excellent material and work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.